When it's avocado season, definitely I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious, filling, creamy guacamole recipe, which is going to take very few minutes of your time. The best thing about avocado here in Kenya is that it's budget friendly and they're loaded with lots of nutrients, have healthy fats, and they're perfect for you. The essence is to get very fresh ingredients to make some delicious guacamole. So you're going to need some avocados, tomatoes, onion, lemon. We have coriander, black pepper, and salt. The recipe is as simple as that. Also, you're going to need a chopping board, a sharp knife, and somewhere to transfer your ingredients once done. Slice and dice. For your chopping board to remain stable while chopping up your fresh ingredients, you're going to place a wet kitchen towel or a wet kitchen paper towel. Once done, I'm going to add in my onions to my bowl. Then I'm going to be slicing up my tomatoes. So I'm going to cut my tomato in half, remove the pits, just like this, and place aside. Once I'm done, I'm going to slice my tomatoes and dice. The tomato pulp is going to make the guacamole runny, so make sure to remove. And once done, I'm going to transfer into my bowl as well. Next, I'm going to pick my avocado, cut the end, then I'm going to run my knife along the avocado just like this, twist, and this is how my avocado is looking. Then I'm going to use a knife and remove the pit. Next, I'm going to pick the avocado skin and peel. And it's going to be very easy if your avocado is ripe. Pick the next avocado, repeat. And once done, I'm going to transfer to my chopping board. Cut my avocado into strips and dice. You can also place the avocado in a mortar or pestle or even in a bowl and mash using a fork. I love a little bit of texture in my guacamole, so slicing and dicing is perfect. Transfer into my bowl as well, and you'll notice that immediately you cut your avocado, it will start to oxidize. So we are going to be adding in lemon, which is going to brighten up the guacamole and also stop the avocado from oxidizing. So this is the messy part. Also make sure to wash the outside of your avocado. Oh my, just look at those avocados. They're looking so good. I love when it's avocado season because I'm a huge fan of avocados. So I'm going to peel. Transfer to the rest. Next, you're going to thinly slice your coriander. You can also add in parsley. Squeeze in a whole lemon. Add in some black pepper and salt. Using a spoon, you're going to toss all the ingredients together. Just look how lovely the guacamole is looking. So I'm going to taste and adjust the seasoning. We have a very nice onion flavor in the guacamole. The avocado is creamy. the coriander or the cilantro is just perfect. Check the seasoning a final time. Wow, everything is perfectly seasoned. We have a nice zesty, tangy flavor from the lemon juice, which makes it so delicious. The avocado is creamy, so yum and filling. This is a perfect condiment for you to add into your meals because, as you have seen, it has taken me around 5 minutes to prep up everything, and it's going to turn out delicious and it's going to balance your meals because avocados are super healthy. Bye bye.